Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2485, that is find the pivot integer. And in this we'll be given an integer n and pivot integer. We have to find the pivot integer x such that the sum of all elements between 1 and x inclusively equals to the sum of all elements between x and n inclusively. And we have to return the pivot integer x. If no such integer exists, we have to return -1. For example, in this we are given n equal to 8. So if we'll do the sum from 1 to 8, it will give me 21, and if I'll do the sum from 6 to 8, it will also give me 21. So 6 is the pivot integer. Okay, so for this what we'll be doing is we'll be using a binary search. So let's have my left equal to 1 and my right will be equal to n. Now let's have the total sum, which could be possible, that will be equal to I hope everyone knows the sum of first n number, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. And then what we'll be doing is we'll be just using a while loop, that while left less than or equal to right. Here what I'll be doing is I'll be initializing a bit that will be equal to left plus right minus left by 2. And then what I'll be doing is I'll be using a left sum to calculate the sum of left numbers till, let's define a function also get sum up to mid. And here also let's first define that function private int get sum. I'll be receiving an integer n, and I just have to return this particular thing. So here also I'll replace this with paste, and I'll find the sum using the get sum method only. Get sum n. Okay, now my right sum will be equal to, and right sum will be equal to my total sum minus the left sum plus the mid, because it states because we have to include in both. Okay, because 1 to 3, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 should be equal to 6 plus 7 plus 8. Okay, and here also it's mentioned inclusively. Now if I'll be checking that if my left sum is equal to the right sum, in that case I have to return my middle element, else I'll be checking that if my left sum is less than right sum, what I'll be doing is I'll be moving my left equal to mid plus 1 equal to mid plus 1, else my right will be equal to mid minus 1. And if I don't find the answer, I have to return -1. Okay, now let's run it. Oh, okay, and no network error occurred. I guess there's some issue with my internet connection. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets executed. Now let's submit it. Okay. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.